In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can find the wallet address for crypto on your Binance account in 2021. This is actually super easy, and this also works on your phone. So if you're on your phone and not on the desktop, it's the same thing. First, go to wallet and go to overview down here. And once you're here, you want to go ahead and hit deposit. And when you hit deposit, you can select some different ways. So you can select deposit cash, crypto with your credit card, which is basically the same thing, or P2P marketplace. So what you want to do is deposit crypto. And there you go. This is your Bitcoin address. So you can only send Bitcoin to this deposit address. So not every currency, but this is the wallet address for crypto on your Binance account. And you can fill this in on, or you can send this to friends so they can send money to your Binance account. So yeah, that's great. You can do this from Coinbase to Binance and the way around. So that's basically how you can find this and use it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.